Now she's starting to get confident on the bike. When she first started, she was nervous, shaky and scared. But like I said, you don't need to be scared of a bike. You control the bike. The bike doesn't control you. And now look at her, bless her. She's got the hang of it. She's not 100% confident yet, but she's doing it, bless her. Here she comes, look. Come on. There you go, look at that. See how easy that pull away was? Eh? See how easy you pulled away on that? Hey? Right, remember, darling, little throttle, walk it. Come on then, come this side. Come on. Yeah. No, you go back up and then, darling, when you come back down, we go. Okay? Yeah, that's fine. Darling, that's your low beam. Alright? Okay, little throttle, walk it. That's it. Hold the brake on if you have to. There you go. That's walking the bike, darling. And remember, handbrake off. Remember, handbrake off when you're going. Go. That's my darling. That's it. Learning. Proud of my wife. She's doing really well. Best decision I made was buying a light bike for her. Light, easy to ride woman's bike. A whole week up here learning her to ride it, and I'll get her to go a bit quicker because you've got more control if it's going a bit quicker. Bless her. She's doing good. Proud of her. Bloody little flies. So annoying. Here she comes. And she's actually doing it while it's a bit dark and all. Excellent. Yeah, only just. Look
Hello.
at that smile. Okay, we're going back now,
Okay.
so bye. Bye.
Bye!